Welcome! In this video, we will go through the process of creating a Portland Parks and Recreation account online. Open your internet browser and go to portland.gov/parks/recreation. Select Register for a class or activity. This will take you to a new web page. At the bottom of the page, select Sign In/Up. Select Join. Enter your email address. You will use this email to log into your account in the future. Select Next. Enter your first name. Enter your last name. Enter your date of birth. Click on the blue arrow to choose the month, day, and year. Choose a password and enter it into the text box. The password must have 8 or more characters and contain 3 of these: lowercase text, uppercase text, a number, or special character. Enter that same password you just created again. Select the blue links titled Terms of Use and Your Privacy Rights. Read the information and check the box to agree to the terms. Select the blue links titled Terms of Use Copyright Policy. Read the information and check the box to agree to the terms. Select Next. Enter your street address. If you have an apartment or unit number, enter it into the second text box. Enter the city, state, and zip code. Enter your primary phone number. Check the box marked I'm not a robot. Select Submit. A message will confirm that your new account has been created. Now check your email and click on the link you received to verify your email address. This is the last step in the registration process. If you do not see the email in your inbox, be sure to check your junk or spam folder. Thank you for setting up your account. You'll soon be ready to sign up for everything that Portland Parks and Recreation has to offer.